Welcome to 360-degree machinery. We are gonna take a quick look at a 2018 Casadei Xenia 40 sliding table saw. This is a kind of a hard machine to find on the marketplace set up this way. First of all, let's go and unlock that carriage. Your carriage is 126 inches long, which is kind of fitting, being that this machine is a 3,200 millimeter machine, which means that you have 125.98 inches of stroke out of this slider. Slides nice and smooth. The outrigger does have 2 flip stops. It also does extend. But again, the slider is really, you take a look. It just slides very, very nicely. So let's expose that blade real fast. This machine will accept a 300, a 350, or a 400 millimeter blade. Currently it has a 300 millimeter blade and the 300 millimeter riving knife in it. And if you look, you are getting about 3.6 plus inches out of that almost 12-inch blade. There is also a 400 millimeter riving knife that comes with this machine. And if you're running a 400 millimeter blade, you're gonna get over 5 inches of depth out of this machine. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that blade on really fast. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the scoring blade on. As you can tell, it's nice and quiet. There's really not much to say about it. Obviously, they're braking motors. You saw how fast that broke. That motor is powered by a 15 horsepower motor, so 11 kilowatts or 15 horsepower. Your scoring is powered by a separate 2 horsepower motor. So again, that is a rather large motor. Now, if we come around real fast and we take a look at the tabletop, you'll see there's an insert. This also does have variable speed. So you're gonna have 3,000, 4,000, and 5,000 RPM blade speed, depending on where you set your belt. So on top of 15 horsepower, it does have variable speed. Your adjustment for your scoring is right here. Of course, this also has a programmable rip fence. And obviously you can move the operator station wherever you want. So first we can come in and we could just jog it. So you're gonna come in and hit this button here, hit which way you wanna move it, hit your blue button. And at first it's gonna slow jog and then it is going to fast jog. Again, slow and then fast. Additionally, we can come in and turn that off and we can go into manual. There's absolute, and that's what we're gonna go in, is into absolute, and we'll program it for say 50 inches. You're gonna hit enter and you're gonna hit your blue button to start, and your fence is gonna travel to 50 inches. Again, we could just come in here, hit manual, 1 for absolute, hit 32 inches, hit enter, your blue button. You're also going to have, besides absolute, incremental is number 2. So if we hit incremental, we can put, let's say we put 2 inches. What that's gonna do is that is going to move that fences 2 inches from where you just set it. This is for your blade lock. I am going to move the station around front again. And of course, we can tilt that blade in either direction, so it does have motorized tilt with a digital readout. Again, it's going to slow jog and then fast jog. Above, you can set your zero set point, so if you feel the angle's off, it's very easy to set that. And of course, it has motorized rise and fall of the blade for that elevation on that blade. Again, really nice to have. That's just our air compressor purging air in the back out of its drains. And we do have all the accessories for this machine. So there's your 400mm riving knife, your angle fence, material hold down, shoe, dust chute. We have the 1 inch, I believe it's a 1 inch arbor on this machine. You have an arbor wrench, the manuals, and the wrenches that came with this machine. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.